What's good, guys? So, I consulted with the tea leaves yet again, right? So, consulted with the tea leaves and have decided that this server that I built may have seen its last day. I believe it to be the motherboard is gone. So, yeah, I know I can order another motherboard and a new case and go about a completely different build, which I may go ahead and do that, right? However, I just went to Best Buy and purchased a iBuyPower Slate MR. So it's a pre-built, but it's a pre-built that I can actually do other things with. The GPU that comes in it is not that bad, so decent. The motherboard has 4 slots, so I can run a total of 128 gigabytes of RAM out of it. So I can turn it into a server, which I intend on doing. So, but I wanted to do something in a 2-day time frame instead of a 2 or 3 week or a month time frame. Due to China and due to shipping of computer products and chips and that sort of stuff, right? Now, I have so many other components to where I can easily add that to this, or right now I just want to see what this unit can do with the software. I have 14 days in order to test this unit out for what it can do, and I intend to do exactly that. Motherboard, like I said, I can add many other things to it. It will accept a larger power supply. So what comes with this unit is only a 600 watt. I'm going to beef that up to 850. And because in the server I'm running that I'm having issues with, I have the GPU of a RX 580, 8 gigabyte. So, and then the graphics card that comes in here. Now also I have 2 PCI slots in this one, so I can run 2 graphics cards in this one. So I have not opened it up out of the box just yet. It is right here next to me. Now as far as the CPU, it has Intel. I'm more Intel. I prefer Intel. I know a lot of different things come out with Ryzen. That's great. I like the longevity of... Anyway, it has an i7 in it, so I needed that as a minimum with all the different software for assistive technology, as well as the different streaming software and the software for editing and all of this other stuff. So I needed a decent processor, decent CPU in it. And I have the room for so much expansion on this thing. So I'm going to max it out. It comes with 16 gigabytes of RAM, which is garbage, really. DDR4. And I'm about to bump that up to 128 gigabytes. So I will make this a server. So this is a pre-built that you can buy. I paid $1,300 for it. Just the CPU or the box alone. You know, it's got the plexiglass and all the neat lights and all of that kind of stuff. But, you know, I can, I'm going to do a few different things to this one to really beef this one up. Just a pre-built that I can turn into a server for fairly cheap. Now, I did use the other credit card that I just got, the Wells Fargo. So after you spend $1,000, you get $200 back. So the total cost so far is the $1,300 that I spent for it, minus the $200 that I get back as a statement credit. So really, I'm only out $1,100, and I've already got so many other components. Now, the i7 of this one is 8 cores. So 8 cores, I believe it to be 16 threads, but here again, we're about to test it. So, about to have some fun. Like I said, I think the motherboard on this server is shot That's why it's only lasting 10 minutes. I've done everything that can be done on this server. It was kind of funny at Best Buy. The guy was asking me, well, are you a member of our Geek Squad service? And I said, no, you're actually speaking to him. So it's like, and do you want the warranty with that? No, I'm about to open the damn thing up. Like, really? So anyway, we're about to see what this unit can do, and then we are about to order the set everything up on it the way that I like. All the the C cleaner and NordVPN and everything else that I run, right? It also comes with Windows 11 now, so a little bit of an upgrade there, I guess. I mean, I don't know yet, so we're about to find out. Yeah, about to be a fun night of testing different things and trying to get everything synced up, ready to go, and drivers updated, everything else set up and ready to go. Try to get different things transferred over and get this one up and off the ground and see what this one can do compared to other components I already have. And we're going to take this pre-built and turn it into a server. So I guess that's about it. I don't really have a way to show you the actual unit next to me other than, well, yeah, hold on. Proof of pants. So this is it right here, right? So that's the one. Pre-built, and we're going to turn this into a server. And we're about to begin now. So with that, y'all be cool. I'll see y'all shortly. Maybe a day, maybe two. I don't know. Later.